Now it's around 3:20 a.m. Just now I woke up.
I'm just like super. This is the last version of Venom series. But the sad news is my light has won. While the design is Actually the video is already completed, but I just want to make an intro. And I forgot to say one thing. Sorry for delaying the videos because you're gonna get it why I delayed actually. What's up everybody and welcome back to another video. I'm on Stock, you're watching Takutonic 12. Let's begin. Basically I will start from here because the rear one almost completed. It looks cool actually. Okay, now I want to do this thing because it can take 2 hours maybe. Well, starting from the morning now almost it just covered by 20 to 15%. I'm gonna show you now. YouTuber board has just headlights. I made it in the waterproof. This took more than 2 hours I think. Later it came to the dashboard thing. Still there is 60%. So I'll meet you after making this.
Now it's around 3:20 a.m. Just now I woke up, so I don't want to make noises. That's why I clearly opened my camera. Let's have milk first. After that I can just boost up over sometime.
Well, no one is in road now. Only V3. The pump is here. The speedometer is working properly. This Tran bicycle. This is the gimbal holder. Here's my Venom. And everything is over. I'm just like superb riding it is. Make our right side. Let's go. Well, we are going at the Bangalore Highway Road. Well, I'm feeling so damn excited for this.
We landed on a Mars.
rockets learn to land by themselves. We got autonomous cars, found and created balancing bikes. AIs are ruling the world, but still, something is immortal. Something is still alive. Something which is becoming nothing. And we came to make it unique. Presenting the all-new Venom version Infinite. How quickly priorities change. Now it's on me what I'm gonna do to world. Whatever that takes in, everything's became by dream. What is next up to me? Because now the dream is real.
Well, I'm here now. The last version of Venom.
Venom version Infinite. Beyond motor, modern symbiote.